Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are given a formula and with this formula they actually give us values of some of the variable and ask us to find V. So usually I like to color code it. This is my V and I have my U is 7, A is 3, S is -5. And every time I substitute a value in, I usually would recommend that you put a bracket. That will ensure that we will not make careless mistake. And after which, do make use of your calculator to get the answer. The answer would be 226. Rearrange this formula to make U the subject. That means at the end of the day, my U must be at the left hand side. Alright? So in this case here, I'm going to start with this. V equals to 4U squared minus 2AS, right? I'm going to, since U is going to be the subject, I will write in this way instead. 4U squared minus 2AS is equals to V. And then I'm going to add. Let's follow me closely, okay? For this particular question, I'm going to add 2AS on both sides, such that this side here, this is negative 2AS plus 2AS will become 0. I'm left with 4U squared. Okay? I will have V plus 2AS here. Next, I'm going to divide by 4. On both sides, the whole thing. Alright? Because then, I will be able to get my U from here. 1U squared is equals to V plus 2AS, the whole thing, divide by 4. But they do not want U squared. They want U. How do I get rid of the U squared? Yes. I would therefore have to square root this whole term. Not forgetting, every time we square root a term, how many possible answers do we have? 2. One is a positive answer and one is a negative answer. Okay? This is important. Please remember that. And therefore, this will be the final answer. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.